It's simple time and this is Chef Tato and today gagawa tayo ng isang beef stew with Asian flavors. Kaya, let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC, and this recipe is truly simple but it takes a bit of time para mag-tender ang beef. So I have a kilo of beef brisket, or you can also use beef short ribs for this recipe. Basta importante, nice cut of beef for stewing. I've heated up my pot here and I will add my aromatics to be able to get that Asian feel. I have star anise, around 4 to 5 pieces of star anise. 4 to 5 slices of ginger. So ito medyo thumb-sized ginger. I cut into slices. Add it here. I have 2 cloves of garlic which I cut into pieces din. And just add it there. And of course, a carrot, which I diced. So that's our base. Add it all in. Yan. And next, we will add our flavors para mas sumarap talaga yung ating pinapalambot na beef. I will add 1/4 cup of silver swan soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of dato puti oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, or you can use 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. So, medyo manamis-namis tong ating, stew, and we just leave that there, and we will cover our pot and let it simmer for an hour or 2 depending on the quality of beef. But today I'm using beef from Fresh Options, and I will just cover my pot, wait for it to cook until tender before doing the final steps of this recipe. So our pot is boiling now. Yan, look at that. Ang bango na dito sa kusina, and if there are particles that float on top, it's your time to remove it. You can just remove the scum of our pot. And we lower the heat to a simmer. Pahinaan natin ng konti to let it cook. So, ito siya. That's done. So, all we have to do is wait for it to become tender. And we've been cooking our beef for an hour and a half now, and let's check on it. Wow! Diba? I'm so happy with this. And look at that, medyo nag-thicken na yung sauce natin ng konti. Look at that. Beef is tender. Perfect na siya. But what we are going to do now is we're going to thicken the sauce a little bit more. So, what we will do is we will dissolve cornstarch in water. Again, it's called slurry. Mga simple friends, yan. And we just pour it into our stew. Once our sauce has thickened, we will add our diced white onions. You can also use leeks. Let it cook a little bit, and we just season with salt and black pepper. Sobrang simple ng ating process. You can do this at home, and I'm sure that your family will enjoy this. So ito, masarap to serve over rice toppings. So happy. It reminds me of a beef stew from a very popular restaurant. And we just garnish with some spring onions or leeks. So I encourage you to try this very simple recipe, our version of an Oriental beef stew. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!